What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here, fiddling around in the shop today. We are about to fire up our good old 1971 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe. It's been parked for a while. It needs, a few things. It needs a new front and rear bumper. It needs a fuel sending unit in the rear. And because my 1990 Chevy K1500 is blocking it back there behind the garage door, that also does not run at all right now. So frustrating, but I can't move it because there's not enough space to move it. So that means this car is just sitting here. But fully rebuilt Buick 350 is now a 362, and we're about to fire this bad boy up here. I just poured some fuel into the carburetor because it's been sitting for a while. Just charged the battery because it's been sitting for a while. Anyway, let's fire it up and see what happens. It's been a little while, a few months, I guess. Well, let's see if she'll fire up. Now I poured some fuel into the carburetor because it was completely dry because it's been sitting for a while. So if you have an older car like this that's been parked for a while, make sure you pour some fuel into the carb back in the float region, in the rear portion of it. Otherwise, you'll be spinning it over and over and over, and not getting any fuel to it and all that. So that's what I always do. Anyway, give her a second to warm up here. Yeah, this bad boy runs really freaking good, man. I had a shop in Marietta, Georgia do a complete rebuild. So they kept the engine, because a Buick 350 is really hard to find. Because I was thinking of going to a small block Chevy on it because the motor seized up on me. Long story about that, but they said it was still good enough inside to to hold on to it and just bore it out and refresh everything. So that's what we did. So now it is a 362 cubic inch because they bored it out a tad. Got a Edelbrock carburetor back in there, MSD ignition. Automatic transmission. Air conditioning works, believe it or not. When they finished it and they told me the air conditioning was working, I said, you gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. I put put the valve covers on it. It's filthy, as you can see. It needs some cleaning. But she runs like a champion.